You see all the awards, you see all the cars, all the fancy things, all the traveling, all the fun, but you don't see what goes on behind the scenes. One day I sat down and I just looked at my business and I saw all the missed potential. I was getting customers in and buying, but I wasn't capturing their emails or turning them into repeat customers. I once read that it costs 5 times more to get a new customer to buy from you than it does someone who has purchased from you before. And that's when I had a little light bulb go off in my head, and at that moment, that's when this entire journey started. I literally sat down at my whiteboard and I planned out an exact blueprint of what my goal was and how I planned on achieving that. My plan was to map out an entire customer's journey throughout my business, and that's exactly what I did. Less than 100 days after launching my funnel, I had made over $1 million in profit. And that is when I knew this was something I needed to dive deeper into. If I was able to get such crazy results in one of my businesses with funnels, I knew I needed to try this same strategy in another niche. I started building different funnels for my different businesses depending on what my goal was. And I saw the same results again. Fast forward 12 months after launching my first funnel, and I was able to bring in over $2.7 million from funnels alone. This is truly something that has changed my life and now something I'm extremely passionate about and I love to do. I'm Tanner J. Fox, and that is my 2 Comma Club story.